What's going on, guys? It's 40 Bars here for another video, and as you can tell, we got a ton of snow here. Unexpected snowfall last night. So there's not really a whole lot to do here today. A bunch of cars have been in the garage for a while now with the tenders on under the cover, and they need to be warmed up. So I figured it'd be a little vlog, and we'll just show you guys. Yeah,
because we got no class today, so might as well do something, right?
Yeah, there's nothing else to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these cars out of the garage.
Yeah, if anybody's wondering what kind of tender we use, it's literally a $5 Harbor Freight special. You don't only need, we've been using these for what, like 2-3 years right now?
Yeah, they've been doing the job.
They get the job done.
We try to keep these cars preserved.
How long has it been parked? Like a month?
You know what? It's probably been, yeah. It's probably been a month. Yeah, you can tell this one's all stock, quiet as hell. Got the gas tanks over there for the snowblower. Good, back it out, Nick. You guys have never seen this one.
I'm gonna take the tender off this one. Now this one's right in the trunk right here.
Yeah, this one's in the trunk.
Well, this trunk's kind of dirty, but...
No, I just got a couple towels back here and shit. It's not bad. You guys probably know this car by now. The E55. And we're gonna hop over here and get the 550 out of the garage too, because that one needs warmed up. It's also on a tender. But it's nice and clean. We detailed it last time before we put the cover on, so I'll pull the cover off next. Yeah, take the cover off. There you go. Oh man, that's clean. Oh man, is that clean?
Got the good stuff on before I put away the good wax.
Oh yeah. Got the Hunt & Co sticker on there. Got the Boston sticker on there, but we got the winter wheels on right now. But you guys know what the Bostons look like. All right, Nick's up inside the car over there. About to do a little cold start. Go ahead, Nick, start it up. Oh yeah. Man, that's a loud rumble. Oh, that sounds so good. You know, it's actually kind of depressing because that car is so loud. That car, wait a minute. That one. It's so loud because we did custom exhaust work on it. Yes, and then you come over here and you hear the E55. The E55 has awesome engine sound, but the exhaust is it's a little it's not too great. The primary cats are destroyed. It's not very loud. I don't know, maybe we'll do exhaust work in the future. I'd like to.
I love the E55. Yeah. I tell you what, guys, you guys can't really tell in the clips when we do the the exhaust clips. But the 550, that natural aspirated V8, with the custom,
it's got a lot of rumble.
Oh my gosh, this sounds good.
It's like, it's weird though, because it's like, you can't really hear on the camera. It's like a lot of like deep, like almost like a bassy sound. Like it's real like deep. Oh, so I don't know if the camera even picks it up or not, but it's a lot of fun. Oh, it's loud. It wakes the neighbors up in the morning. Yeah, it does. So we're actually gonna go out here and show you guys the E350 because that's like one Mercedes no one knows we still have. We've had this since 2011. So 7 years now we've had it, and I'm gonna show you guys around. Got the ML all warming up over here. Now we're about to go over to the E350 and show you guys that. So we bought this car back in 2011. It's a 2007 E350 with the AMG Sport package. And for those of you who don't know, 07 was the first year for the refresh. So it got the nice, some nice upgrades, including these wheels, which were never on like the previous versions. The front and rear bumper have the nice AMG trim on. A little bit different than like the previous version, but not a whole lot. But as you can tell, I mean, this car, we literally never drive it. We bought, actually, since we bought the E550 back in 2015, this car's basically been sitting in the garage. We put about, 35 miles. We put about 35 miles tops on this thing since then. I mean, you could tell even the inspection's out of date. It was up in 2016. So this thing literally has been sitting under a cover. No one ever drives it. Sort of trying to preserve it, but
yeah, this was our dad's first Mercedes.
Yeah, this was his first one, so we just decided to really park this one because the other ones are basically the same, and we've been enjoying the other ones. So this one we've been basically preserving. Yeah, it's only got 40,000 miles on it.
Yeah, this one will absolutely never be for sale.
None of them are gonna be for sale.
Yeah, Nick. But for sure this one.
We don't sell any of our cars. We usually drive them until they're basically destroyed. Show what's going on here. So this one's got a different, like a wood trim on it. I forget what it's called. I'm ashamed because I'm a Mercedes guy and I forget the wood trim is.
We still got the plastic on the nav.
You know what's crazy too is that plastic right there is actually the plastic that came on it whenever it was new back in 07. Still has the plastic on the screen, except it's kind of like bubbling up and coming off a little bit. But hey, we decided to leave it on there, keep it original. But as you can tell, this thing it's literally brand new. I'll go ahead and show you the back seats over here too. I mean, they're literally like, it looks like nobody even has ever even sat in these. Look, I mean, the leather is like just crisp, so nice, so clean.
It smells good too.
It smells amazing. All right, so here's the E550, and you can tell the wood trim in this is clearly not even the same color at all. It's different. It's nice to have something different so they don't all look the same, but you can tell right away with the 550s, they got this like ruffled leather right here. You only got this on the 550s and the 63s or just the AMG models, yeah, but you could tell this one is completely different inside. Well, the wood's completely different, but other than that, the interior is basically the same. And then here's the wood trim in the E55. You can tell this one, this looks like really brown in the video. I don't think it's that brown, but you can tell this one's a little bit different too. And then being that it's an 03 model, it's got that audio 50 or audio 20, I forget what it's called, the head unit, but it doesn't have the command system, not to 04. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this interior too on our on the ML here. This is probably one of my favorite interior color options from like this this era of MLs. It's got the black ash and two-tone. It looks super nice. All right, guys, so we're gonna be taking the E55 out now. For those of you who don't know anything about this car, this is actually a very clean example. It's got delivery miles on it. It's never seen rain, never seen snow, never been dynoed, never been abused, adult driven.
Yeah, it's been sitting in the garage for what, the last 15 years?
Something like that.
Yeah, one owner.
Yeah, one owner, never been abused, guys. It's pristine, mint.
Let's go hear it.
Yeah, let's go start up, see what it sounds like.
This one might be a little disappointing, guys.
Yeah, but you'll get some supercharger action going on. Oh yeah, it sounds good too. Just gave it a nice exterior detail. His rims are looking good. Well, it wasn't a full-on detail, basically just waxed it. You can tell, look at that reflection in the hood. Man, I think it's beautiful. You can tell it's only got delivery miles on it. Headlights look stunning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This thing is pristine. Nick's out here taking pictures for our Instagram page. Man, I'm all messed up over here. Go follow us. Yeah, like a 40 Brothers. Nick, you got some good shots over there for us?
I'm getting them over
yeah, there we go.
My magic.
Man, I love this view. Look at this. Got all the W211s out. Only problem is we're missing the E63. Maybe we'll buy that one next. You never know, who knows? Let's get the head bolt issue though. We'll have to get a good one.
You're wanting to get a little Malibu one.
Yeah, I gotta get. Actually, we'll just get one that's been fixed already. I don't have to drop 4,500 bucks on that engine. But I tell you what, that engine, that M156, oh my gosh, sounds so good. It sounds so good. Okay, so I'm over here in the E50, or oh gosh, I'm over here in the E550. I want to show you guys something cool we did. I just had that on, that's why little lines there. But what we did was, when you normally turn these on, it would say like, it'll have like the Mercedes logo, and it'll say like Mercedes-Benz underneath of it. But we found a way to make this say AMG whenever you turn it on. Better turn it down, no copyright issues, even though we're about to be losing our monetization status. But yeah, so it's just one little cool little touch. I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool. All right, so as you guys can tell here, got the garage all cleaned up. We need to do something about these floors, like they don't look good. This right here, these stains, this is from years of owning American cars.
Yeah, I think the Jeep.
With some, yeah, that was
the Jeep and Cadillac.
Both Jeeps, Cadillac.
This,
I don't know if the van did it, Chrysler did it or not.
This was the Jeep also.
Yeah.
That was the van.
And then this is from having a German car with 400,000 miles on it.
That's the E55.
And we fixed the oil spill, but I think there's just like leftover oil sitting in the drip trays that need cleaned up, and well, we don't really have a lift to clean it, so that's that. But oh my gosh, I love seeing all these cars together. Got an empty spot here for the E63 though.
You guys saw that me and Matt like silver. Ours is silver, our dad's is black.
Yeah, ours are silver, and then dad's black, and then well,
mom's is black too.
Mom's is black too, but yeah, this I did a little correction on the headlights. They look freaking awesome. I mean, look at this. Who would ever know this car has 400,000 miles on it? Oh wait, no, it doesn't. It's a one owner delivery miles. Never seen snow, never seen rain, never been dynoed. Clean example. This reflection. This car hasn't even been corrected yet. No paint correction. I mean, just look at the reflection. I mean, I think you can see me. You can see the E550 in there.
You can see me walking around.
This door has some nicks on it, but I mean, this thing is so clean. Oh, there's the best part, AMG logo. So clean. Got the quad tips. Oh man, those are good. This probably could use a little bit of polish.
A little bit.
Yeah. What do you guys think about the wheels on this? So for those of you who don't know, this has the 2011 E63 rims, and I absolutely love these wheels. But I think it'd be kind of cool to get something different to put on there. Maybe something, you know, like maybe some new Vossens or something. I don't know. What do you guys think? I love these wheels, but like I said, it'd probably be cool to get something different, just to make it a little bit more flashy. But I think they look really good on this car. Actually, I think they look better on this car than they do on the 2011 E63. What do you think, Nick? I think they look awesome on this. I love the stock E55 wheels though too. Those are really nice.
Oh, I love those. Those are the best.
Yeah. And then of course those two have the 5-spoke AMG wheels, and then the ML's got the same exact wheels except those are 19s. For the people in the comments who've been asking about our suspension, the conversion we did on this, if you saw our video, you know like the ride height was super high in the back, but I think we might have said in one of our videos, we got the new custom kit from Stripemasters, and here's the ride height now. So
iBox springs.
Yes, those are the iBox springs from Stripemasters, and then you could put, no, it's about 2.5 fingers in there, so it's pretty low.
Before it was the whole fist.
Way better than what it used to be. Yeah, before you could put literally your whole fist in there. I mean,
look at these wheels, man.
It's insane. Yeah, these are winter wheels.
This is why we got Vossen, guys. These wheels are terrible.
Actually, and believe it or not, 3 of these on this car are bent. 3 are bent. Well, how you bent 3 rims? I don't know. That's a soft alloy material.
Before anybody gets to the comments and saying why we even still have them, we only put these on during the winter during storage so we don't get flat spots on the Vossen wheels.
We don't get flat spots. And then, obviously, the 350 comes stock with the stack suspension, and that's about 3 fingers. So that one looks pretty good too, but she's the baby. She's the baby. Now that the car is all warmed up to the proper operating temperatures, we're gonna go ahead and give it a little rev and see which one you guys think sounds the best. So, go ahead and get in there, Nick.
Go and get my phone.
Show them what it sounds like. Oh yeah, that's good, Nick. Oh, that sounds so good.
Oh yeah. I think Primo wanted to be in the video.
What's up, Primo?
Primo, where you going? You want to go in the Mercedes? I don't know about that. Come on.
He's not allowed riding in it.
Like the
He's gonna get the hair all over the place. You wanna go in that one? This one?
You like the AMG, you like the move.
Oh, I see. Oh
yeah, you're good, dog.
Hey, don't pee on it.
Hey, don't pee on it, Primo. It's just got detail.
I want to show you guys something super annoying. So the xenon light on the passenger side over here, it went out, like it burned out on the car a couple years ago. We had to replace, and literally right after we had to replace, not even a week, this happened. A stink bug is stuck in the light. Now the only way we can get that out of there is if obviously we take the whole front end apart and take the headlight out, and we don't really feel like doing that because it's a pain, so it's gonna stay in there. All right, just so we can compare the two, we're gonna do a little exhaust clip on the E350 right now, so tell us what you guys think sounds better. Go ahead, Nick. That's good. Man, does that sound good. These old naturally aspirated V6s, they sound glorious. Time to put the E55 away. Man, I love the way it sounds. Except the exhaust. Exhaust needs to be more aggressive. Don't reckon, Nick. Coming out of your pay to fix it. Gotta get those windows tinted. We're getting them done first week of March, I think. Because I can't stand driving a car with no tinted windows. Oh yeah, nice and clean. Looks good. All right, guys, so as you can tell here, Nick's blocking it now. All the cars are tucked away real nice. Got the E55 somewhere over there. There it is. All right, so this is the end of the video. Basically, we just need to get all the cars warmed up. So that's what we did. Our Jeep, we have another Jeep. It's a 99 Grand Cherokee that's in storage too, that is not at the house right now, so we couldn't really warm that one up and show you guys that one, but we'll show you guys that one in a later video. But what we plan to do here is, since we haven't really been uploading too much lately, is on our drive to school every day, or at least, you know,
every other day
or something, we're gonna be making videos in the car and talking about like different car related things, you know, like maybe news, what's going on with cars or something. We have a couple ideas already planned, maybe telling you guys.
Just to get some content out for you guys.
Yeah, talking about pre-purchase inspections, why they're important, good daily drivers for winter months, you know, things about like, just like, you know, overall, like just a little bit of, whatever. Little knowledge for you guys. So, yeah, that's basically what we're gonna be doing here. And we're done here for this video.
Yeah.
So if you enjoyed it, good. What are you gonna say?
I'll go ahead and end it. We just wanted to get on here and show you guys us warming up the cars because we really had no video planned for the next couple of days. So I told Matt, I was like, hey, you know what?
It's something to do, you know?
It's something to do. So
we just ordered more E55 parts too, but we'll save that for another video.
We'll save that for another video. They should probably be in here today or tomorrow. But either way, that's all for the video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Give the video a like. You know, comment if you got anything to say.
Subscribe.
Tell us what you guys think. You know, if you guys got, if you guys want to see anything with any of the Mercedes, the E350, the 550,
just
both 550, just let us know. Put in the comments.
Yeah, you want to see a comparison between all three or two of them or something? Let us know in the comments, and we'll most likely do that because we need more video ideas.
We'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, peace out.